Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at how to use calculator to evaluate inverse trigonometric functions. Evaluate, answer in radians, round to 2 decimal places. Example number 1, sine inverse of 0.87. The very first thing it is to check the calculator mode. Then we will press second sine, that means sine inverse of 0.87 equals, then we will have the answer 1.06. Example number 2, arctangent of negative 2.13. The very first thing it is again to check the calculator mode. Since we know that arctangent means tangent inverse, we will press second tangent, that means tangent inverse of negative 2.13, enter, and we will have the answer negative 1.13. Evaluate, answer in degrees, round to 2 decimal places. Example number 3, arc cosine of 3/5. Please feel free to pause the video so that you can give it a try. Very good. The first thing it is to check the calculator mode. Since we know that arc cosine is cosine inverse, we will press second cosine, that means cosine inverse of 3 divided by 5, enter, and the final answer is 53.13 degrees. Be sure you will include the unit in your final answer. Example number 4, sine inverse of negative 0.28. Please feel free to pause the video so that you can give it a try. Very nice. We have to first check the calculator mode in degrees. Then we will press second sine, that means sine inverse of negative 0.28, enter, and your final answer is negative 16.26 degrees. Again, be sure you will include the unit. Example number 5, find theta, round to the nearest tenth of a degree. To find theta, now the problem is given the opposite side and the hypotenuse side. Which of the trigonometric functions we will use the opposite side and the hypotenuse? Please feel free to pause the video so that you can give it a try. Correct, we will use the sine function. Sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Therefore, we have sine theta equals to 8/11. Now, to reverse sine, we will take sine inverse on both sides. Therefore, we have theta equals to sine inverse of 8/11. Now, we are going to use the calculator. The steps are, first, check the calculator mode. What should the calculator mode be? That's right, in degrees. Then we will press second sine, that means sine inverse of 8 divided by 11 equals. Using calculator, we find that the final answer is theta equals to 46.7 degrees. Thank you for watching my videos.